Hi, to start with your new invoice, just go to service items to add new service. Let's say we are creating a software development service. Service description, SaaS software development, category, web development, price, 3,000, service sale price, 4,500, quantity, it's a one, and tax 5%, add service items. Now we can see that here is the service we just created, and now go to new invoice. This is a pre-generated invoice number. You can change it here. Issue date, due date. You can change anything. Bill to your customer. Select your customer for company. You want to send invoice. Let's say I'm selecting this and add your product details here, but when you click here you can see that uh, all of our services are listed here that we have created through this service items menu. Additionally, you can create service or product directly from here. You can see that there is a list of our product or service, and just below there is a button called create a new service. When you create it, click on it, it will open the same form to add your product or service. So right now just select a service. We just selected SEO service. You can change the quantity here. You can change the unit price. You can change the tax according to your needs. Let's say I'm keeping it 10% and create add a new product or service. This pre-filled data is making problem boring for me. Whatever. So you can again choose the service or product from a list, or even you can write a new product directly here. Just write account new service, accounting service. It's a quantity, added quantity, unit price. Let's say there is no tax, so keep it zero. If you want to add more product or service, you can use this row, add more row, or you can simply delete this. Then add your notes, terms. You can add discount if you want to give your client. It's a 100. I'm giving discount, and currency. Select currency. Go to preview and create. Now you can see the everything you have selected: the product, price, quantity, unit price, total price, subtotal, discount, total tax, final amount, and currency. Now you can if you think you need to edit the invoice again, just back to edit invoice, and you can edit it here again, and again go to preview and create, save and send invoice. His invoice has been created successfully. Now you can share invoice link, just copy it and share with any messenger channel or email. Send invoice via email. When you click on it, when you click on this button, it will go to your customer email, but you can change it here to send um, to any email. I'm sending to this email. You can mark this invoice as paid. This is the amount. Payment date you can select when you client paid. Method: PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, Elevate, Paycheck, cash, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, other method, etc. Whatever your client used to pay you. Yeah, and you can also download or print the invoice here. Here is your invoice copy. If you want your client should pay or should be able to pay your invoice through the invoice link, then you just need to enable a Stripe or a PayPal. But if you want to enable a Stripe or PayPal here, first you have to connect your Stripe or PayPal with your application. So to connect your PayPal or Stripe, go to business settings and payment integration, then connect your Stripe, PayPal standard or PayPal business. Thank you.